I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer money from your Stripe account to your card, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Start by logging into your Stripe account using your credentials. This is where you'll manage all your transactions and settings. Step 2. Navigate to the Payouts section. Once logged in, find the Payouts section on the left-hand menu. This is where you can see your available funds and initiate transfers. Step 3. Select the amount to transfer. In the Payouts section, choose the amount you wish to transfer to your card. Make sure you have enough balance to cover the transfer. Step 4. Choose your card. Select the card you want to transfer the funds to. If you haven't added a card yet, you'll need to do that first in the Settings section. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Review the details of your transfer and click the Confirm button to complete the process. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. Remember, transfers can take a few days to process, so don't worry if it doesn't show up immediately. I hope this helps you get your funds where you need them.